Hey, it's James again, and talking about project management stuff. So, if you are not interested in being a project manager, but you want to kind of use the one on your project to your advantage, one thing you can do is actually just be in touch with them and make it easy to talk with them. So they'll probably come check on you on a regular basis and ask you how things are going with the project, or if you're a manager or somebody else or a lead. If you are an individual worker, like maybe an engineer, you might not talk to the project manager too often. It depends, but sometimes project managers want to avoid interrupting people who are getting actual work done. But if you are concerned about something, it is usually a good idea to bring it up. And the project manager's job is to listen, to gather that information, and then to check it to see if there is any truth to that. That a concern could actually be a real risk to the project completing successfully. And so what they'll do is they'll take it to their stakeholder meetings and they'll report it. And you can tell them if you want them to mention your name or not, but they will bring it up and discuss it with the management team. And so that will give it more visibility. And so if you are having some valid concerns about the project, they're a good partner to have. So yeah, they're not just somebody who comes around and asks you annoying questions all the time. They're actually there to make sure that projects don't go off the tracks. So anyway, use them when you can, and yeah, they will appreciate it. All right, thanks. Bye.